Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss. If you've ever dreamt of becoming a successful civil engineer, this video is for you. We'll be sharing some valuable insights and tips on how to embark on a rewarding career in civil engineering. So, let's dive right in. First and foremost, it's important to have a solid educational foundation. Pursuing a degree in civil engineering is the initial step towards your goal. Look for accredited universities or colleges that offer comprehensive programs in civil engineering. This will provide you with a broad range of knowledge in areas such as structural design, transportation engineering, geotechnical engineering, and more. While studying, it's crucial to maintain a strong academic record. Aim for excellence and engage actively in your coursework. Take advantage of practical experiences, such as internships or co-op programs, which can provide you with hands-on exposure to real-world projects. These opportunities not only enhance your learning but also help you build valuable connections within the industry. Now, let's talk about professional certifications. Once you've completed your degree, consider obtaining certifications relevant to civil engineering. Certifications like the Professional Engineer (P) license can open doors to higher-level positions and showcase your expertise to potential employers and clients. Additionally, participating in continuing education programs will help you stay updated with the latest advancements in the field. Apart from academics and certifications, it's crucial to develop key skills required in the civil engineering profession. Effective communication skills are paramount, as you'll often be collaborating with colleagues, contractors, and clients. Strong analytical and problem-solving abilities are also essential, as civil engineering projects involve complex challenges that require innovative solutions. Another vital aspect of becoming a successful civil engineer is gaining practical experience. Look for internships or entry-level positions that allow you to work alongside experienced professionals. This will provide you with invaluable exposure to project management, site inspections, and construction processes. Remember, real-world experience complements theoretical knowledge and helps you understand the practical aspects of the industry. Networking is a game-changer in any profession, and civil engineering is no exception. Attend industry conferences, seminars, and career fairs to meet professionals and potential employers. Join professional organizations such as the American Society of Civil Engineers, US, or local engineering societies to expand your network and gain access to valuable resources, mentorship programs, and job opportunities. Lastly, it's important to stay informed about industry trends and advancements. Subscribe to engineering journals, read technical publications, and follow influential civil engineers on social media platforms. Keeping yourself updated will give you a competitive edge and help you adapt to emerging technologies and techniques. Well, that wraps up our guide on how to become a successful civil engineer. Remember, it's a journey that requires dedication, continuous learning, and perseverance. But with the right education, certifications, skills, practical experience, networking, and staying informed, you can pave your way to a fulfilling and prosperous career in civil engineering. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our B&H Engineering channel for more valuable content. And as always, if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, leave them in the comments section below. Have a nice day.